Hello dear traders, let us review the major events of the past week. US dollar index edged lower last week while US stocks advanced. On Monday, Thursday and Friday no significant economic data came out. Weak US real estate data for August came out on Tuesday. Markets shrugged off this news as real estate data were positive in July and June. Moreover, construction activity could have weakened on floods in southern region of US. Key event of last week was the Fed meeting, which ended on Wednesday, September 21st. The Fed left the interest rate unchanged at 0.25%. Fed funds rate, which was last raised in the end of last year, remained at 0.375 as anticipated by majority of investors. Markets were pricing in a 25% chance of rate hike ahead of the Fed meeting. Nevertheless, market reaction to Fed decision was usual, with advancing stock indices and weakening US dollar. Higher rates make deposits and fixed asset investments more profitable, which makes US dollar more appealing. At the same time, it raises the US corporate credit burden, which negatively affects their financial statements. Two more Fed meetings are scheduled in 2016, on November 2 and December 14th. Markets expect no November rate hike before the presidential elections. Chances for December rate hike exceed 60%. Nevertheless, intrigue persists. Investors assume the Republican candidate Donald Trump will opt for weaker US dollar, which may support the US industry. The Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton also stated that US economy benefits from weaker dollar. Nevertheless, market participants believe the rate hike may be more significant in case of Clinton's victory. For this reason, US dollar and stock indices may depend on the TV debates of US candidates for presidency. Besides that, investors will be focused on Consumer Confidence Index on Tuesday, Fed Chair Janet Yellen's speech and durable goods orders on Wednesday, the final reading of second quarter GDP, speeches of Fed district presidents on Thursday, and consumer spending and income data on Friday. This was all for the past week. Happy trading and see you next week.